Cord. Guys, look. We have made slime. You see how stretchy it is? Make some noises. Oh. It took us some activator and lots of glue.
Yeah, too.
And it turned to this.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I'm not always a good cameraman, but
look.
whoa!
And guess what? It's pink. Soon we're gonna make a blue one and a purple one. So you have to watch those videos.
Yeah, and we're actually gonna make a video of us opening our fish tank.
Yeah. Today.
So
make two.
well, did you just saw her fingerprints on that slime? That's
See? And
oh.
And it can make a pizza. Or a bubble.
Oh, is we making a bubble? Oh! It messed up, right?
Yeah. That was fun, right?
Yeah, but it was probably fun.
Look, we're going to make a bubble. Real bubble.
We're just picking up the weirdness. Bubble! Oh! It's not good enough, but that's okay.
Because we're going to do some.
Goodness. That slime is good. Oh! What did you just say?
And look, everybody. Did you saw that? Ha!
It looks like some spider webs. For them, it's probably gonna look like spider webs. But if you put it like that, it looks like.
Did you hear that? Little tiny bubbles. You see that frog? This is the best day ever, guys.
Okay, let's go and show them the fish tank we're about.
Let's go view the fish tank.
We're about to open. It's not open out of the box yet, but let's see.
Let's see. I'll be back, guys. I just scared my front.
Look, you see? If we just open it, you'll see it, guys.
And look at the slime, guys.
Oh. Look at it inside the thing. Pale, let's see if it falls down. Like this. Turn it over. Nope, it's very sticky.
So when we get it out, look.
It's not even like gonna stick like on your
hands.
hand anymore, right?
Yeah. Look.
Yeah, it used to be sticky. We had to mix it a lot.
And put a lot of glue and some
And
activator.
No, the most we put activator.
So it can go together.
Oh, it just hit the camera.
Sorry. So we're going to get this and look. We're going to go back to my room. Come, guys.
Did it.
Look, guys.
Oh, that is weird.
And look. I can make a bubble now.
Please be perfect. Oh, it's a bubble! It's a bubble!
You want me to do it? You want me to do that?
Must show mommy! No, show mommy!
How?
No, we just had to make mommy come upstairs. It'll say like this. Guys!
Mommy,
bubble popped down.
The bubble popped. The bubble
Mommy,
popped.
the bubble popped.
You want me to make another one?
Look, it's so good.
Wait.
I even in the video. Look.
It almost made a bubble. Whoa, it breaks. That really slime. Again.
Okay, do it.
Aw.
I think.
Dad, you try. I will be cameraman.
Is it?
Yeah, they can see them.
How do I do it?
Do this. They can see you.
You missed that.
So you can be back the cameraman. You're
Yeah, I'm
cameraman.
better at cameraman.
I'm better at slime. Look, guys. Look, I will also make a big bubble.
Let's do this one more time.
Oh my God. So that's okay, right?
Yeah, one more time. But this time, Mommy better be close by.
Mommy, she better be close by because she's the left.
Because this cannot stay up, right?
Yeah, I can't stay a bubble. Oh no. Oh, it's Dex. Do you want me to do this?
Oh, that is such a good sound. Oh, yeah.
I wish we got another glue so I can make two.
Yeah, because sorry that we couldn't show you the video of us making the song, but we're very sorry.
We just did not have enough time.
We didn't think
I'll
about
be
it.
back, guys.
Just look. Oh, she's gonna make a fish bubble. Oh, it's gonna be stuck in the slime now. Oh.
That's stuck. It could get off. Ouch.
You can.
You see?
Okay, maybe it'll work. Oh, I think.
I don't think that's...
Just get that thing out, right?
My name is Holic. My name is Holic. So we are going to... I'm going to be back when
And we might even make.
I'll be back, guys.
This is the best slime ever. Tell us if you made a better slime. If you make a better slime, say in the comments.
And then we can make it too. A better slime. We will make another video of slime. We're going to put gems in it.
Yeah, we're gonna
Next.
put some gems.
Next, we're going to put some gems. Later. Not on this video. Today, we're just showing you the slime, how it feels. Don't do this at home. Don't. It's really sticky. If you don't have the activator, you can't do it. If you have
Even if you use the water. When we used the water one time,
it was just like stick.
it was not good. It barely turned into this.
And soon we're gonna put some sparkles in it.
Yeah. Oh, Pan's rolling it. Oh! She's turning it into a donut or a burger. It looks like a burger, guys. Oh, you messed up your burger.
Want me to put gems right now? Sorry, we can't. Do I need to make another one? It'll be longer. Twist. If you don't have glue, you can make the giant glue. Have the giant glue make clear slime. So we're going to make all the color slime, and then we're going to make a slime maker. Right? So we're going to show you something. Oh no.
Okay. Oh! You saw what was that?
Look, guys. Look how they feel. Pizza. You want? We can make a red one and put some toppings.
Or maybe we could even put food coloring in there.
Yeah. We can put food coloring in white. And we still have a little bit of white. Who wants to make white slime now? Still have a little white in there. Who wants to make white slime now? You want to, right? Okay, let's go. I'll close the vlog. Leave this in. That's why we'll do it later. Look. Look how it feels. Sticky. Yes. My hand proceeds.
It turned into a bracelet. A big bracelet.
And a bigger one.
Break it. Wait. Just turn it back to normal before it stays like that. Oh yeah. Oh, she's catching it. Oh, she's catching. Oh, you missed that one. Catch. Okay. Oh, that was. Oh no. Yes. That's easy. Oh my gosh. You're moving so fast, the camera.
Okay, the camera cannot do it, so pizza sign. I need bubble time. If you don't have slime, it's okay. You just can fake do it, like us. We did not have slime. It was really bad.
Yeah, but now we will just.
We're gonna do play.
We didn't really watch slime videos anymore. We just made it.
Yeah, we just know how to make.
Oh, it turned into a bubble.
Do you want me to pop it?
Pop,
Goo.
pop. Oh, okay. Put it back together. Put it back together.
So, any of you, if you did not, you're new to the channel, subscribe and click those notifications.
Notifications.
And we're not going to say bye. We're going to
Ow, ow.
Yes.
Oh.
It's a bracelet.
Hi.
Did you hear that?
Oh yeah, I just love that.
You want to hit the Lila's one?
Oh, I hit mine.
Who wants to make? We're gonna do
The white slime.
the white slime.
If we have enough.
We're gonna do the white slime, and don't forget we're gonna put some color.
Bro, I think we ran out of white glue. Remember?
Yeah.
So we can't make it.
Nope. I have something to show them. Look.
Now put it back in there, okay? Put it back with the slime.
Who wants to make shapes next?
How do you do that? Did I do it? Am I doing it?
Yeah, you're doing it. Did you
Put
guys...
it back normal. Make some noises again. Oh yeah. Let me end the video.
First, we're going to do one more bubble.
If it doesn't work, it's okay. Some people it doesn't work with bubbles.
Yeah, it's just our first time.
It's our first time. Yeah, it's our first time. No, this is like our second time, but our first time it was like it didn't do it. It's a bubble. Should we end?